Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with PressureWashHelp.com, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your location in Google Ads. So if you haven't watched some of my other videos, I've got a whole playlist up here of setting up your Google Ads, how to set it up properly, how to your positive keywords and the different types of positive keywords, your negative keywords, the importance of having your negative keyword list and making sure that is right, and how to set up your ad schedule. All those videos will be right up there. But today, if you enjoy this channel, please go down and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10,000. I'd appreciate it very much. We can set our area of where we are, of our service area, and how we can, kind of make sure we don't get clicks for pressure washing. If you're in Kentucky and you're not getting pressure washing Michigan, because we're not going to Michigan, right? We don't want Michigan. We want Kentucky. So I'm going to show you how to set the service area and also how to exclude the service area. We get in here and we're into our Google Ads here, and we're going to go here and close, and we're going to go down here to locations. And when we're in locations, we want to set our location. So a lot of times when we set up our location, we can put it in there where we want to set it up. But this here will kind of we can see it through the map, which that way we can see where our service area is. So what we're going to do is we come down to the blue pencil, and so we can actually set a radius or we can set a location. I kind of do both depending on, Cincinnati's a big area, and I can say just Cincinnati, or I can say the radius of Cincinnati, or I can say a lot of things. So what we're going to do is, first thing, we're going to start off with location here. I'm going to put Cincinnati. So it's going to bring it up here, and I can click on it, and there's Cincinnati. Now you see that's not a very big area. But let's see if it should put the metro area in there too. So that just put Cincinnati. Now we have a bigger service area than that. So another way I can do it is do radius of, and this is really good for if you have a small area. If you have a brick and mortar business that maybe only people only come from 10 miles away, we can put this in there, and that way it's going to get those people within that 10 miles. So I'm going to put, we have actually a pretty big service area, so I'm going to put 40 miles, and I'm going to put Cincinnati back in here. Now, that put us a lot bigger, and that's where I like to be. So I have Hamilton, and we have the loop here. If this here is a little bit down, then I might move it up because we might not come down far, because we actually come up here to Dayton. We actually come up in here to Dayton because our shop is right in the middle of Cincinnati. So we actually come up into Dayton. So I can do one of two things. I can do a mileage of maybe 10 miles here of Dayton, Ohio, and stick it in there. Now, let's see, that hit me right there where I want to be at, and that's great. If I wanted to hit this little bit of Beaver Creek, I can say Beaver Creek and maybe a 5 mile radius. If there's like a really good neighborhood out there, maybe there's like down here, down south, there's a really good neighborhood. It's called Triple Crown, and that's why we come so far down here, which we would stop here at Walton, because Triple Crown is a very nice neighborhood. It's a very high dollar neighborhood, so we want to hit that. Critton, not so much, so we might want to bump it up. So what we can do is, that's how we set it. Then the other thing we can do is we can come in here to exclude, and we hit the exclude button, and what you can do is I put all the other states, I exclude all the other states except the states that I'm in. Now, we do work in Kentucky, Cincinnati, and Indiana, so I will not exclude them. But I have a list that I automatically have that all I got to do is do it. So I can put in Michigan. Michigan, United States. It made it red. So you can see here that that's a, that's excluded. And so I put all 50 states in, and that way all 50 states are excluded. Usually I put them all in, and then I make sure the states that I'm in that it's not excluded. And that's the reason why I do that for is so that I don't get pressure washing Indiana, pressure washing Florida, pressure washing somewhere else. So that is the importance of doing our negative keywords, or our locations. If you would like for my free 25 negative keywords, this list is good for probably about any service business, a lot of different things you could use this list for, not just pressure washing. This is the list that is very universal to a lot of different things. Grass cutting, lawn mowers, all different kinds of things. This list, carpet cleaners, all of it. Right here, you can go to pressurewashhelp.com/negative keywords, and you put in your information. It automatically sends you to the page that you need to go to. Or if you want my big negative key list, and this is more for pressure washers and window cleaning, you could use it for some other, like carpet cleaning, because a lot of if we use pressure washing hoses, you use carpet cleaning hoses, and you don't want people typing in carpet cleaning hoses, so that some of these will work back and forth. And you can go right here to pressurewashhelp.com/Google-ads. But I hope that helps you out. Remember, guys, take action. If you don't do nothing, nothing will happen. If you do something, you will learn something. You will better yourself off in the end. So remember, take action. Have a great day and be successful. Thank you. If you would like to learn about my other Google Ads stuff, it's right up here. Check it out. Thanks.